A new kind of love, genetically altered. Enough of love life, and I can't believe it's not love.
Pa yung camera. Wow, kitang-kita.
Hello vlog. Welcome to our guys.
So this is a business class?
Wow! May kumukontra? Hindi ko alam kung gumagano.
We're going to
Saan nga ba yun? Baguio!
Baguio! Uy! O, diba? Naging maliwanag. Kasi, lights.
Lights off!
Oh, diba? That's so amazing. It's so
Amazing!
amazing. Ano nga yun? Yung ganun? It's so...
So giving. Even the lights are giving.
Oh, tingnan, natutulog tayo.
Eh, bakit ka nagbablog?
Okay, bye-bye. Abutin mo. I have Beanie.
Pini na po. Joke lang.
Kunin ni Ate Jono. Sana next time i-shot niya yung
Pini
niya
na
voice.
po. Sabi nga niya, I have Bini. Sabi ko, Bini na po.
Kunin ni Ate Jo. Ate Jo!
You're Bini. Bini team.
What is supposed to be me? How about me? Patikim lang. Up until now, I still don't... Ako yan,
Turuan kita.
Tutorial.
Hindi lang nila yan.
Canva lang yan. Canva lang. Guys, yung lapat na may energy.
May nahulog na kaya dito? Baka tayo pa lang. Wala siyang boses.
Akala binabangga tayo, banggain mo rin.
Wow!
Ganun, badong, ganun.
Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Yung lobat, oh. Yeah, my percent.
Magsalubungan kayo ng camera.
Kasama si YP.